Hey guys, it's me with her name's May and she's my BFF. And today in Bloxburg, I'm stinky, but just don't mind that. And we're going to be testing people. Like we're gonna be doing an honesty test. So yeah, So we're gonna ask this girl. Excuse me. Okay, just gonna act like we remember them and like, excuse me. Yeah, oh yeah, like that. Oh my god. OMG. Yeah, yeah. No, like I mean, like we were playing Roxburgh before, and like we met, and I owed her money. Like I gave her, like she gave me money. Now I owe her back. I think she's AFK. Remember? I owe you. Lol. I owe you. Um, how much was it you gave me? It was 100. Yeah, she's AFK, so we're gonna choose. Okay, so we're gonna go to a different person. I think we're gonna join a different server. Don't mind that. That's just my friend Ella. Yeah, she's texting me on Skype. I'm just say hi. She's calling me. I'm gonna ignore. No, Ella always does that to me anyway. So, but we don't care really. Ring me. I'm gonna say I'm calling. I'm calling Ava. Lol. Oh, she's calling me again. I ignored it. Okay, let me. Holy knee. What the hell? Yeah, this is a. Okay. Let me turn my chat on. Okay. I'm gonna. Yeah. Oh, oh my god. This is really weird. I don't have a signature. Oh. I'm gonna be AC. Yeah, I'm an ack. I'm an ack and you're an ack. Aww. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna ask this girl because she just moved. Nope. No. You sure? Well, I said thanks for being in my bed and being honest. Yeah. Yeah. I know. I know, right?
When did you go back? Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
I think I got about Monday or Tuesday. Lucky.
It's like, it's just really dumb. I don't know why. Christmas, we went back on Friday.
Mm?
Summer, we went back on Tuesday. This Easter, sorry, we went back on Thursday.
Mm?
What did Vicky have?
I know that always happens.
I was born on Thursday. No, no. Yeah, Thursday.
Why owe you money? Okay, I'm just gonna say, do I owe you money? No. Oh, it's Ella, don't worry. Lol.
I just declined.
No, just leave it ringing. I've never seen you before. Okay, let's go on to Meet Seki now. Because you can donate money there now. Well, give money. No, you can't donate, but you can buy money for other people. Okay. Okay, so go into Meep City, and you probably can't see Eva. Nice way. Okay, let's go on. Okay. By the way, do you mind if YouTube sees you? Because I'm screen recording this and they can see you. Okay. Oh no, I need to water my plants because they're dying. That sounds wrong. Let me get my message ready. Okay, I've got my message, and it says, "Hi, remember me? You gave me 100 coins the other day. You want them back now?" Yeah. I don't like. I never water my plants. I just have them to collect coins, literally. Not.
Yeah, same.
Okay. We're probably gonna go on my skateboard. Or something. Okay, I think we're gonna ask this girl if she stays. People always try to go to my house. I'm sick of it. It's really annoying. Okay. Okay, I think this girl's AFK.
Nobody likes receiving money.
She just left. I know. Okay, I'm gonna find a different person. Yeah. Should I use my scooter, roller skates, or skateboard? Oh my god, that is really creepy. This scooter looks like my IRL scooter. And it's the same colour. I literally just got the starter pack or whatever it was, and it gave me roller skates. So guys, yes, I did not spend 80 Robux on roller skates. Yeah, so we had to join real high, and then someone bullied her in real high. So we had to, yep, and then we had to leave.
And now we're there.
Yeah, we're here. But wait, no, don't go in your house, don't go in your house, don't go in the house. He's just walking away from me. You gave me 100 coins yesterday. Okay, let's see if he does one. Well, I didn't even. He doesn't like. I don't owe him, but like. He just left again. Another person left. Unless he teleported. Oh, okay. Well, guys, most of people have been honest, and I think we're gonna end this video here. God, Skype is being really weird. But anyway, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.